Okay. Driving. Goodbye. Thank you. Till next time. And now we're going. I'm wearing like a tight helmet. Thank you. Yeah.
Akala nila foreigner ka eh.
No. Filipino, Pinoy.
Ngayon sa dito ko yun.
Oh, wow.
Ano to, hindi to yung usual way. Dali na kita sa medyo ano, medyo mainit na way.
It's okay. I don't have any problem. I want like very warm or hot weather because in Germany it's always like cold, snow, and very depressive.
If ano, kung gabi dito, maliwanag dito. Tambayan ng mga tao dito.
Wow, it's so nice here. Look at that.
Hindi available yung car namin.
It's okay.
Sumamotor tayo.
Yeah. I don't have a problem. We can also walk if you want.
Ay, no, hindi ko mag-walk. Naka-high heels ako.
Oh, okay. Sorry.
Asawa ko to kaya mahirap to
Yeah.
Yung car naman siya yung gumagamit.
Okay. But I think for here, motorbike is enough. You can enjoy the fresh air.
Yung fresh, init na air.
No.
Yan last week, ano to, rainy season dito.
Oh, really? So, I'm really lucky today because we've got plenty of sunshine. And I love it. I love sunshine. I really love it. Before, when we're like in Thailand, I really hate the sunshine. But now that I live in Germany, I love the sunshine already. In Germany, it's just like only for 2 months that there's like enough sunshine. But other than that, for the rest of the for the year, it goes up around like 10 in the morning, and then it sets around 4 or 5 in the afternoon. So it's really depressing.
Go to the mountain na tayo.
Wow. Welcome to Guimaras Island, everyone, with Ma'am Ercil.
Yeah.
And soon to become a principal.
Makikita ng principal, patay ako. Shortcut, ano dito shortcut? For example,
Beautiful.
ano, yung may bantay, may checkpoint,
Okay.
dito kami buwadaan. Ay, yung mga walang license.
Yeah,
Oh, pero may license ako ha, not
yeah,
tourist.
I know.
Yung license. Sa center naman tayo, ang bahay namin sa center naman.
Okay.
Wala man nag-alok sa'yo na ano, na magpapakay sa motor.
So many offers, but I told them may sundo.
Dito galing yung mga white rocks.
Okay.
Yung import papuntang Iloilo.
I thought they're like developing something here.
Oo. Mamaya, makikita mo yung development.
Wow. Like they're building a lot of subdivisions as well.
Maraming subdivision dito.
Oh.
Okay lang ba yung alon?
Yeah, it's nice. I don't have any problem. I don't have any complaints. I love more like sunshine. I love the waves. I love everything.
Yung fiber boat, ano yun eh, bagong project yan.
Oh.
Kasi nung wala pang fiber boat, may nag-discuss siya last time.
Okay.
Like 4 lives of the teachers. More than 30.
30
namatay.
people were dead. Okay.
Way back
Now it's better.
Oh. Madali lang na yung fiber.
problem with the sun because that's what I want.
But I do have a problem.
But for you, you don't like it. Okay, that's why we have to follow you.
Wala kang coat as in for tomorrow?
What is it?
May coat ka?
I did not hear you well.
May ano, may jacket.
No, I don't need it.
Ay,
I want to have darker skin. I really want to have like really dark.
Hindi ka na makilala ng anak mo.
No, it's okay.
Ano pangalan ng anak mo?
Zabao.
Bao.
Yeah,
Saan na siya?
in Vietnam.
Dalhin mo siya sa Pilipinas. Hilamin mo.
It's difficult.
Hilamin mo. Hilam naman. Dati ako umangkas sa'yo sa bike ah.
Huh?
Ako yung umangkas sa'yo sa bike dati.
Yeah, and now now I'm the one who's like a passenger and you're leading the way.
Wala kang choice. Pero marunong ka ba rin mag-motor?
I think so.
Huwag na.
You wanna try?
No. Okay lang. Ako lang.
Oh wow, it's really steepy here. Ooh.
Yung ano nila dito, yung pinagkikitaan, yung uling.
Oh. Oh.
Ibenta ko ng uling. Dito nila, dito ba?
Wow.
Pero hindi na siya ideal kung gabi.
Oh, there's like a
Hindi ka ideal dito. Kahit ako ayaw ko.
But I love the landscape here.
Wala ka
See?
landscape dito.
It's perfect for a photo shoot here in the middle of the road with lots of trees. There are also the people.
Hindi mo naabutan yung ano ko, yung bayaw ko. Ay,
It's like at school or what?
Sorry. Wala, dumiretso ako. Dumiretso ako eh.
Oh,
Dead end dun.
dead end already.
Yung bayaw ko, photographer. Kung abutan mo siya sana.
Oh,
Magaling mo mag-ano.
don't worry, you're here.
Photographer.
It's okay.
Nagpunta na siya ng Manila kahapon.
Okay. Because of work or?
Siman yun.
Oh, that's why.
Kaya,
It's like a basketball court here, mini store.
Iwan mo na rin yung ano, gamit mo sa bahay.
Yeah, sure.
Sige. Gusto bahay mo na ni Mama.
Okay.
Kasi lock pa siguro yung bahay namin. So, ayan. Yung gabi, gusto mo maglakad dito? Ayoko.
I think it's fine.
Anong fine?
As long as I can't see the white lady from our apartment in Nantaburi.
Ay! Uy, yun, ang white, black lady yung sa akin.
Black, yeah, the black one.
Ang iya yun. Yung paa ko, naalala ko pa yun. Luka.
Oh, look at that. There's like a cave.
Kahit yung mga baklang pipi, ano yung mga baklang pinsan
Yeah.
ni Love?
The friends of,
Ara.
yeah,
Oo.
I remember them.
Sabi din sila eh. Kaya na sign language na may
Yeah.
gusto, namuyo.
I love the landscape here.
Ano to? Private
It's-
property to?
It looks like somewhere in Bohol as well.
Man-made forest?
Yeah, the man-made forest. But this one is more natural.
Hindi to man-made eh.
Yeah.
Ano to? Binili na to. Binili na
Wow.
kilo.
That person is rich.
Ay, ang mura naman ng lupa dito.
I see.
100,000 lang, may lupa ka na.
100,000
Oo.
for 1,000 square meters
Hindi.
or
Ano, yung example, like 200 square meter for ano, for residential.
wow.
100,000. Yung sa akin medyo mahal. Kasi nasa ano,
With
nasa
title
center.
already.
Ah,
Everything's like process including the title.
hanggang ano lang, you have to pay for
Or
title
rights.
like 70,000 for
Okay.
title. Or 70,000 or 50,000 to title.
Alright.
Okay na.
Yeah,
Kaya sa amin, ang mahal sa amin 7,000.
exactly.
200 square meter lang. Lalo na sa Manila.
Yeah, absolutely.
Diba ang ano, ang tagal ng biyahe kung dito tayo dumaan.
But it's okay, I'm enjoying it. And the dogs are like nice.
Ano? Nice. Until na
Until.
Punta muna ako ng school dyan
Sure.
kasi magta-time out ako.
Okay.
Hindi na kasi katalo tulad ng Tebaksuksa na ano lang eh, yung sa sulat lang.
Yeah.
Yung sa atin kasi dito, nagba-biometrics na.
Wow.
Walang kawala. Bukas absent talaga ako.
Uh,
Mayroon akong 55 days sa service credits kasi ako mag-absent ng 55 days.
oh.
Natin ang expense.
There are also so many people here. So many houses.
Oo, kunti pa na to. Mamaya makita mo.
Really? Like in Guimaras Island, I think there are more than 100,000 people.
Hindi naman.
Or more than 50, probably. Oh, wow.
Marami dito ano, mga indigenous. Mga Eita.
Oh.
Hindi ka kumakain ng tuna, no?
I can eat.
Tuna?
Yeah,
Akala ko walang kaliskis yun eh.
there is, I think.
Ang tuna?
Yeah.
Oo.
Tuna, salmon.
Pwede na yun.
What else? Tanige?
Palige?
Yeah.
Oo. Sabi na pabili na ako ng tuna kanina. Wala, ilang years na tayo nagkita. 2014?
I think so. 2014 or 15?
15?
I think it's 15.
Wala. 9 years.
Yeah. Or 10. You're the mathematician, so I don't know.
Ayun.
I forgot to count already.
Park na to ng center.
Okay.
Hindi ba na kasi, kahit maliit na isla, stricto yung implementation of rules.
Okay.
Grabe dito. Sobrang
For,
kasalino.
of course, like for protection of the environment. I think here it's like better than the El Nido. El Nido has like a problem with the sewage system.
Hindi, mas okay yung Nido. Tulis, at isa pa, tulis pa talaga yung Nido.
Yeah. That's why they have more problems.
Basta sinipag ganun yung talaga nila tulis.
are like so many mansions here. Oh wow.
Seaman, maraming seaman dito.
Okay.
Pupunta sa atin dito.
Ah, this way. Alright.
Hindi mo tayo kumain naman.
We're gonna be there later.
Ah. Ayaw ko naman. May nagpa-room for rent. Pero yung pang border lang yun.
Buena Vista Fire Station. I think this is like the downtown.
Yes. Center.
And this is like the school? Your school, right?
No.
No.
Ito is school.
Elementary?
Elementary school.
Okay.
Doon sa kabila yung secondary school.
Secondary. Okay.
Pagkakalapit ko lang. Pero ibang school yan, di yan sa akin.
Okay.
Doon ako sa isang barangay school.
People are like really nice and friendly.
Hindi mo kasi nalaman kung galit na eh.
No, by just stopping, that means they're respecting you.
Bakit? Meron na iba na ano?
No, it's different in. Yeah, Philippines is like different. Everyone's like nice. Just want to say that. Evacuation center. Oh,
Sa aming ano, yung road.
there's like tsunami or typhoon.
Ah, wala dito.
Okay. Oh, there's 7-Eleven. And there's Co-op as well. Oh, I saw like coffee. Coffee.
Marami dito coffee shop.
Nice. So this is like the highway, I think.
Ang nakarugtong ng highway.
Uh-huh.
Medyo ano ba yung traffic kasi yun, may road beginning eh.
Yeah, by the structure I already know that it's a Seventh-day Adventist church. I know how it looks like.
Kaya yung Manila State University.
Wow. Did you study there before?
High school.
High school.
College ko.
And then in college,
Sa university na.
Iloilo.
Hindi pa kasi university to nung college ko.
Before, okay.
Dito ako nag-graduate ng masteral.
Oh.
Ito, graduate school.
Graduate school building. Okay.
Wala.
Nice.
Ito, pinili na ba ito ng ano?
Uh-huh.
Ng Disney Gallion, I think.
Really?
Hindi ko kasi mapalang nag-graduate. Kita mo mama ko.
Yeah.
Yung COVID ano? Yung COVID survivor.
Really?
Oo, kaya 1 month kami sa hospital.
But how about you? You did not get it?
Ewan ko, bakit yung negative ako?
Me too. Since the pandemic, I'm always negative. You know, in Germany, it's really rampant.
Until now?
Even in my workplace, yeah. Even until now. Even before I start my vacation here.
COVID ba?
Because of the weather, it's like really cold.
Kasi kami, mainit eh.
Yeah. I think it's because of the weather. The people are like getting sick.
Mama, ano, biglang after na COVID niya, lalong lumakas eh.
Wow.
Sino dahil sa ano, gamot, yung
Yeah.
remdesivir,
Uh-huh.
hindi siya nagkakasakit.
How many months again did she stay in the hospital?
1
Okay.
week sa public hospital, then nag-private kami ng 3 weeks.
Okay.
Kasi mamamatay siya sa public eh.
Yeah, I know.
Ay, nako.
In the Philippines, oh, that's the problem. Anywhere in the Philippines, I think.
Yung Adventist STA kanina, may school din yun.
Oh,
Elementary to high school.
elementary to high school. Like senior high school, right?
Hindi, hanggang high school lang.
Okay.
Grade 10.
Uh-huh. school.
Oo. Private school.
So many schools here.
Diba? Private school. Kaya, pasal sila. Punta muna dito sa Bella Vista.
Okay.
Kaya bukas, ibang municipality tayo.
Uh-huh.
Bella Vista. Pwede mo, Wednesday. Punta ng tao sa beach.
Wow, okay. That's really nice.
Napicture lang ako. Don't worry, ako mapipicture mo.
I know you're always there. I don't have any other options except you.
So, pagsakaan mo lang. Ako lang kayo magpipicture.
Here we are.
Wala sundo ng bayaw ko.
Oh, really?
Sorry, we're closed. Wala na sila. Wala siya.
And we're already here. Thank you so much, madam. I'm gonna meet your mom. Room for rent. Hello. Maybe I should turn this off already.
Kita ko marami ng lambag yung mga ang upo ko sa ilan. Hi! Hi, friend! Hi, friend!
Hello there, little girl. Hello po.
Rachel!
Rachel po.
Oh my gosh!
My head is like really
Sige,
big.
sige.
Sorry.
Ano natin yung ano mo, helmet mo.
Friend, hi friend.
Bingot! May isa ka helmet. May isa ka ba ka helmet?
Okay, good.
Hindi ka pa rin sa...
Hello.
Helmet?
It's okay. Yeah. That's
Hello,
it.
si Rachel!
Yeah, it's me. I heard the story about narinig ko po yung sa COVID po. And I'm so happy that you're like you survived.
for me?
Yeah.
Thank you, friend.
I saw the post of Ersil, so yeah.
3 years
Video.
ago.
3 years
Video.
ago. And,
Say
yeah.
hi to a friend.
And Ersil is like really a nice and friendly co-worker that I have. That's why I did everything.
From where are you?
Originally from the Philippines, but now I live in Germany.
Wow, German ka. German.
At isa ni Shepherd.
Oh, really? Si friend. Friend. Hi, friend.
Friend. Sa friend.
Okay, friend.